How to stop video autoplay in Canva website. Hello guys, and welcome to this new tutorial. In today's video I'm going to show you how simple and easy it is to disable the autoplaying or the auto playback of the video into your Canva website. So the process is going to be very easy and simple. We're going to head over to canva.com, sign in for an account, and as you can see, this is the dashboard of the Canva account. Now we're going to head over the search bar, type in website, just like that. So we are going to see directly all the websites that we have. So basically we are going to find all the websites that we have. I need to see only my website. So I'm going to click on your design and you're going to see our designs. So I'm going to select the website. As you can see, here we have the specific website. I'm going to click on Edit Design. From here, we are going to see the website itself. Now, I'm going to add a video, and you're going to see that it is going to be playing automatically. So, this is a video. I'm going to add it just like that. And here it has started playing automatically. How we can put that back or disable that, click on the video. So basically it is going to be paused or not. Click on edit, scroll down a little bit and you are going to see playback. So we are going to see play automatically. I'm going to disable that. So we are going to make it, as you can see here, not playing automatically. I'm going to refresh the page. And you're going to see that the video is not playing. It is waiting for the trigger to be set to be clicked. So, as you can see, here it is. So that was pretty much it for the standard video that we are going to upload. But in case you're going to have a YouTube video from the apps, you can go ahead and have maybe embed the embed app. So you can go ahead and find the YouTube videos. You're going to find them right there. Basically, these are going to be not that much customizable, so you cannot set them up as you want. So we're going to have the set from here, and I'm going to delete it. This is it. Basically, that was pretty much it for today's video. Thank you guys for watching. I hope that you have enjoyed the content, and I hope to see you soon on the next one.